Are you seeing the SQL library DLL missing from your system directory? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I'll guide you through the technical resolution to protect your PC's internal communication. To start fixing SQL library manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This is the SQL library, a generic naming convention used by localized database management tools or accounting software. It houses the primary SQL query parsing and data serialization logic. Because it lacks a standardized parent, its absence usually indicates a broken third-party installation that requires a full repair of the database client. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Since SQL Library DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the Localized database orchestration toolkit, performing a fresh installation of your host application where you received the error is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including SQL library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Keep in mind that SQL Library DLL must be properly registered with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping the file into a folder rarely fixes the root cause of the error. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. Instead of manual troubleshooting, you may review automated diagnostic options referenced below for SQL Library. If you've regained access to SQL Library thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.